Go to Google again, type Maven, Apache Maven, Apache Maven, Apache Maven. So you are, so then, and then you download, see download, install, configure. So you download Apache Maven, and then when you download, you come here. See that when you download here, you go, okay, this one, see zip file, yeah, you download the zip file. After you download this, move the copy from download folder to your install folder. So when you downloaded this in the downloaded folder, so let's see, let me see, I have downloaded it here, Apache Maven. Yeah, so I have